Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for La Opala RG. That is the name of the company, and La Opala is the ticker name. And right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of La Opala, and this is a historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock for analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. And regarding data, we have data since 2014 onwards up to 2017 November 16th. Yeah, and now if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, uh, actually since 2014 onwards, if you look from this point, okay, we are seeing a lot of zigzag movement. That's what I am seeing at the moment. See, the stock has peaked up in February 2016, and that time it was trading at nearly 670, and today it is trading at 525. Okay, so nearly 150 rupees, approximately less than its peak price. So why so? Because after the peak price, after reaching the peak price, the stock went down and it started trading at a low price. And this 525 thing is 525, 584. Actually, yeah. If I'm keeping the crosshairs here, see, last time also this stock reached the same height. I mean, it is this level, and I'm talking about. I'm talking about this level, this high and this high. Okay, both are at the same level. I'm keeping the crosshairs here for your understanding, and this high is little bit higher than this one. That means okay. Now you got it right. I mean the stock is facing some sort of resistance here. Okay, on top of that, and it has reached its. I mean, recently the lowest bottom price the stock had reached in February 2017. That means this year, and that time it was trading at 420 rupees. Again, 100 rupees, 105 rupees less than the current price. So that has been the thing, and it looks like the stock is not moving in the upward direction. Actually, there is no intention of the from the stock side that it has to move in upward direction, make a new high every time. The new high should be higher than the previous high. That sort of trend is not there actually. If you see from 2014 onwards, it is pretty much clear that the stock has been moving sideways, more or less. Actually, though it is not. Sometimes it is a range bound movement, sometimes it is not. But still, overall, it's like a range bound movement. That's it. So this kind of stock we cannot consider for long term investment. So it is better, this kind of stock is suitable for short term trading rather than a long term investment. But anyway, right now the stock has crossed its 50 and 20-day moving averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Yeah, very good, and so far so good. And but its relative strength is quite low. Directional strength has been crashed, and stochastics is at the midpoint. Again, no, is a bad signal. But again, even price volume is constant. I'm keeping crosshairs here for your understanding. And momentum had crashed the baseline, and it is going negative. The balance of power is shifting. Actually, if you see the tip of the graph, it is touching the baseline, and the bullish phase is almost over, and the bearish phase is going to start. Looks like that. Now we will check the elder ray indicator, and here we are seeing some sort of contradiction where this is showing that the bullish phase is the green candle here, the green histogram here is completely 99% of the candle is in green, showing that this is a bullish phase. But whereas here we are seeing the bullish phase is almost over. Actually, though it is on top of the baseline, maybe because of that, that's why this is it's very nearing to the baseline, this particular thing. And if it crosses, then the bearish phase enters, then the stock enters the bearish phase. That means its stock still goes down, it may go down to, no, it may cross below 400. So that sort of thing, it may cross below 500 first. Okay, so that sort of thing may happen, but we need to see that. So that is a this thing. I mean, status of the stock. Volume is not moving. There is no spike in the volume. Balance of power is about to shift. Bullish to bearish, and the main parameters like strength, direction, momentum, all are down. So, and the stock, the historical price path pattern of the stock is is in the sideway mode. So all these indicators, all these guiding points are showing that a stock is not moving in a particular pattern, which makes it eligible to be considered for long-term investment. So after considering all these things, I conclude that this stock cannot be considered for long-term movement at this moment. So we will come back to this stock later after a few days and then redo the analysis. But until then, you can do short-term trading in this stock. This stock is good for short-term trading, but not long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.